The Amaryllis is a bulbous plant that blooms very easily in apartments the first year and blooms even more the second year, provided it is well nourished. As you can see, an Amaryllis bulb is capable of blooming without water and without soil. This is somewhat what is sometimes found in garden centers when bulbs are abandoned in this way. So it blooms. However, the following year, the same Amaryllis will not bloom. It will produce leaves if we put it back into growth, but it will not produce flowers. Explanation. So we will take an Amaryllis bulb, which is not developed. We will use a clay pot, a fairly heavy pot. We will fill it with soil, good, rich, and fertile soil, universal potting mix. I carefully place my bulb in the pot. I bring soil gently around it and pack it down thoroughly. Well, however, as you noticed, when the Amaryllis grows, there are large floral stems that risk falling and breaking. So, in anticipation, from the start, I will put in some stakes. 5 good stakes. Here, we are talking about bamboo stakes. And I tie them to the top. Thus, our Amaryllis bulb, when it develops, the flower stalk will be caught between the branches and will be able to hold. Now, to keep our Amaryllis much longer throughout the flowering period, you will water it, but you will not provide it with fertilizer. Once the Amaryllis has finished blooming, you will cut the flower stalk, 1 or 2 flower stalks, and it will still have its leaves. So, from the moment the Amaryllis starts to have its beautiful leaves, you will water it generously, but especially provide it with fertilizer. A simple explanation is that the fertilizer will nourish the bulb, allowing it to swell. Once it is well swollen, after a few weeks, the leaves will start to yellow, you will let it rest, you will water it less, and it is from the next autumn, when you put it back into growth, that it will develop flowers before the leaves.